Okay, in this section of the project, you're going to be looking at auto loans and choosing between um, different opportunities based on needs. So, again, you're going to need to find out the amount of payments for each loan option, and then you need to look at the person's information. So, Sophia can only afford a $280 a month payment. So you're going to need to look at the choices to see which one to choose and recommend that choice. This will just be an extension of what you did in the first section of the project with the addition of being able to make a choice based upon what the need is. If a payment works out for both, you may want to look at a shorter term loan because that pays off quicker. Um, Whatever works the best. Also, a shorter term loan usually has less total interest.